I promise you that after watching this video, you will never ever again touch alcohol in your life. Now, the main reason why people cannot quit drinking alcohol is because they want to quit alcohol, because they know it's bad, but they do not know the exact thing which is making it bad. They do not know the consequences of drinking. Well, do not worry. I will tell you two consequences of drinking, and after listening these two consequences, you will never ever again touch alcohol in your life. So let us move on to consequence number one. Now, consequence number one will be having three derivations. Let us move on to the first derivation first. I want all of you to close your eyes and imagine a situation with me. Imagine you are with your wife. You are coming back from party and both of you are drunk. You're walking down the street and suddenly you are encountered by a group of four men. Those four men are misbehaving with you and your wife. And they're weak as fuck. You are strong as fuck. You have a lot of muscle mass. You are a black belt in karate. You are a professional fighter. And those are just tiny fucks. But you are drunk and you will not be able to save your wife because you have no control over yourself. So that is consequence number one. Drinking alcohol makes sure that you have no control over yourself. And if you were not drunk in that situation, then you would have easily saved your life, the love of your life. But you were drunk. You could not save your wife. And that is why you should not drink. Because drinking makes sure that you are never in control and you end up making mistakes from which you can never recover. Now, this was derivation number one. Now, we move on to the second derivation. The second derivation of the same consequence is very simple. Imagine you're coming back home drunk. You have your wife waiting for you. Both of you end up having a huge argument over a tiny matter. What will a drunk person do in that situation? There are cases of domestic abuse, cases of hitting your wife. All the cases, all the outcomes will be negative. And if does that indeed happen, then there is a huge possibility that you may end up getting a divorce after that fight. If you end up getting a divorce, you will also have to pay alimony charges, and your reputation as a man will be ruined forever. So you'll be losing the love of your life, you will be losing financial security, and you will also be losing your reputation. Now, third derivation. Imagine you are behind the steering wheel. You're driving a car, but you are drunk as fuck. You have no control over yourself. So, what is the end outcome? The end outcome is either you kill somebody while driving or you die while driving because of a stupid accident. All these things could be avoided if you had quit drinking. So, whenever you drink ever again in your life, think of this consequence with the three derivations I told you right now. Now, the second consequence. Second consequence is very simple. Do not need to use much brain. Drinking alcohol will give you a belly, a big fat belly. And women do not love men who are fat. So, if you are a man who wants to quit drinking, you want to be as attractive as possible because then all the women will love you. But if you're drinking 3 4 beers every single day, then you will never have a six pack in your life. Forget about having a six pack, you will never even be able to see what's beneath you because you will have a big belly, a big 55 kilometer fucking belly below which nothing is visible. A belly which is obstructing everything below you. So, this is the second consequence why you should stop drinking alcohol. In fact, should also stop drinking processed bullshit because that will make sure that you become fat like Thor in Endgame and you will not be perceived as an attractive man. So these are the two consequences why you should stop drinking alcohol, and that's all in this video. If you like the video, then please share, like, and subscribe. Till then, have a very nice day and see you in the next video, all my friends.